What's up, guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I will be talking about Bitcoin price target. I will be talking about this breakout at this position right here, and at the same time I will be talking about my own price target on the market. So guys, stay tuned and get ready for the video. Stay tuned and get ready for the video. So we're going to be talking more about levels to be watching right now in the market. The levels to be watching right now in the market. What we are expecting to do. We could see the market at the top here. The market formed another triple bottom. See here, here, and this place. The circulating Bitcoin formed down here before we are seeing this pump that is heading up here like this. So guys, we're seeing what is happening in the market. It's like a cup, and as it's formed, the market is moving. So I'll be talking about my price target, and at the same time, for those of you that took the trade when I made my last video yesterday, guys, you should be on a massive profit. There is no reason for you not to be on a massive profit. I made profit also. So for those of you, I told you guys that Bitcoin was going to. I knew the inflation always favored Bitcoin. I know it will favor the crypto market. So for those of you that entered the market, defending when the market was at 23,100 and you took a long position there, guys, and the market, as in this morning, the market has done 24,600. You should be 24,700. It has broke the previous resistance. So we are expecting another pump. But I believe you should be on profit, and you should learn how to adjust your take profit, adjust your stop loss in case the market retests, which it might. News might come in, so you should learn how to adjust your stop loss. So guys, let's stay tuned as we get into today's talk about how the market is going, and always make sure you watch the video till the ending. Always leave us a thumb up, comment on the video, tell us where we are lacking behind, tell us what you need to see more in our next video. I'm always going to make sure that comes to stay. Thank you very much, guys. Let's go on to next video. So guys, as I show you, as I said before, we should be talking about this resistance here, the resistance we need to look up to. Can you see? These are the resistance we need to look up to. What is Bitcoin having for us today? What is Bitcoin having for us the week? As we could see on the weekly time frame, this is hourly time, 4-hour time frame. On the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is still looking much more bullish than it is in other time frame on the weekly time frame. So this is our target for Bitcoin. You could see resistance here, higher, and then this one has broke the two previous resistance level, and there was a quick retest after the breakout. There was a very smart retest that took Bitcoin over $300 out of the from the previous resistance. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end, and always let me know what you have for us in our previous video, so that we know how to improve on videos. Again, as we could see here, all this pump that happened yesterday on Bitcoin was because of the US inflation report yesterday. The thing came below our expectation. I said you guys that my prediction was going to be on 9.3. That was what I said. I said it was going to be on 9.3, but the inflation report came below our expectation. The inflation report came below our expectation yesterday, as we saw on. I said the inflation report was going to be 9.3, but to our greatest surprise, the thing came below, way more low than our expectation. And you see what the coin did yesterday. As soon as the inflation report was announced, there was a massive bull run in the market before we had another possible retest again. So as you could see here, crude oil is showing you buy. Tin is showing you, cash flow is showing you, and then gold is showing you sell, silver is showing you sell, and copper is telling you a massive buy. It means the market is awoke. So guys, as you could see the report yesterday, I told you guys that my prediction was on 9.1, which went below my expectation. See, it came out 8.5, which was a little bit low from the previous one. That was where everywhere went green yesterday. The inflation is not really helping us, it's not really helping us. Price of things are going higher. We don't know how it's going to be in the next 5 years time, by 2025 or 2026. So a lot of people has to come into this crypto space, buy their position, and then have something to hold, have a digital currency to hold for the future. So guys, on top of that, the inflation report really pumped the market so hard. You could see what the inflation report did by July. It took the market way down here, and then the market was able to recover its strength and up again. So if we are going to be closing the 1 hour time frame above this point here, that means we're still going to be bullish on the market. And on top of that, we should be taking a look at this should be our resistance right here. This should be our support zone. If the market is going to drop down again, this should be our support zone at 23,200. This should be our support zone again if the market is going to break down. Then if the market is going to bounce up again, that means our target should be at 25,500 or 26,500. That's how the market is going to go. So guys, on top of that, Bitcoin has confirmed the bullish breakout already. Bitcoin has confirmed. So this should be our target. At this zone here should be our target. Don't get your eyes off the market. Always remain on the chart. That is why we keep getting better on this crypto space. So as our target remains here, as our zone remains at this point here, always keep your eyes on the market. You see, that is a very strong resistance up there. While we keep this point, let's keep our eyes on the market while we take a look at this point. So because if we break below this point, we will be going down. At this point, it's giving us a $20,000 if we should get to that point. But I believe Bitcoin will close above this previous resistance level. That means Bitcoin is still going to be pumping harder. But if it fall, and if we should close below this angle right here, that means Bitcoin is going to come down. That means our target will be down to 20,500 or 21,500, as the case might be, depending when the market decides to bounce back again. But I'm giving you guys my own analysis of what I think. If Bitcoin closes above this point, that means we are going to still be bullish. But if you fall below this point here, which I've screwed out on us for, which have measured out for us here, if you should close below this place, that means we're going to be going down as it was before. So guys, make sure to leave a thumb up on the video. Make sure you use my link. My Bybit link is still available. Especially Binance. Binance is the largest exchange, and they're definitely doing well. So make sure you have a Binance